looks as if it lives up to all those expectations. Here we go. This match then is not a competitive one, but these players have too much personal pride and passion in them not to go for the win. Let's hope for a spectacular match. Competitive challenges, plenty of goals. I'm sure there'll be some real bite in the challenges. Of course we'll see skill and teamwork and technical ability, they're all important. But I've got a feeling this will come down to who wants it more.
Van Nistelrooy. Robben. Sneijder. Kuyt.
Now maybe shooting opportunity. It's there, the opposition have scored. Not even a quarter of an hour gone and the team have already fallen behind. The manager will be livid.
You could see he was waiting for the rebound and his eyes lit up when it came. He's a real poacher in front of goal with all the instincts of a top-class striker.
They've gone in front with the opener.
The manager will definitely not be happy to see his team go behind at this point in the game. His team will want to score next though, get themselves back on level terms, or I can see them falling behind even further.
Kuyt. Van der Vaart. De Jong. Kuyt.
Maybe a chance for a shot here.
Goalkeeper's ball. Xavi. Temuda.
Oh, great defending there.
Tyson. Van Bronckhorst. No way through. Puyol. That pass has made it through.
15 minutes have passed.
Stayed on the ball. Just about time for him to sneak an equaliser. It's a solid tackle. Will he put it away?
Now a chance for a cross. Oh, mistimed runs there. Puts away a free kick.
The referee shows him the yellow card. Didn't go for the ball, just took the player out.
Might consider himself a tad lucky not to see red. Close enough to have a shot on goal. And they thwart them as they look for the shot.
Kuyt.
How about a shot? And now a shot. And it's out of play, but it did come off the defender. Bends it in. Kuyt. Well, the chance was created, but the finisher wasn't quite good enough. This looks promising.
Xavi. Wasted opportunity, really, not on target.
That's a good opportunity to equalise, just gone begging. He found himself with a good sight on goal, but he rushed it.
Couch, and apart. Schneider. Got the all-important touch on. The referee blows the whistle. Some hesitation there. It was a late call. It's a yellow card. The referee did try to play the advantage there, but as there wasn't one, had to bring play back for the initial offence, which clearly he thinks warranted a card. This is a great chance. Oh, how close was that?
He couldn't even hit the target from there. It's a poor effort, really, given how close the goal the kick was.
Looking for width. Can he hit the target? Dealt with the threat well. Van Nistelrooy. Forward it goes. Count. Schneider. Van der Vaart. Van der Vaart! Just needs a yard. And that's pushed behind by the keeper. Corner. Here comes the in-swinging corner. Maybe a miss hit. It was off target. Capdevia. Luque. Van der Vaart. Kout. Coutinho. Well worked to win the ball. Only 5 minutes left on the clock until the break, and just the one goal divides them. Will he find the space? One for the pass, maybe the wrong option. It's curling in. They've won another as they keep the pressure on. They've played it short. An opportunity to cross. This is a good overlap. Will this level things up? And Bronkhorst. De Jong. Possession lost there. Oh, magnificently executed through ball. Well, the keeper did get to it. You have to say that's far from a convincing save. The defender had to do the clearing up after him. The whistle goes to signal half-time. The players can head off to the changing room for a well-earned break. Pretty pleased with the performance so far.
I don't think they need to change anything in the second half.